Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. It's been a little while, but I think I finally got a little like punch of motivation. So let's see, let's see if we can get some stuff done, shall we? So we're back in the creative world because I want to see about doing that mining ship. Not mining ship. Welding and grinding. And I think the way we're going to do that is, do we have a landing gear around here somewhere? 7, 8, 9. No, we do not. 9. Land. Landing gear. Let's just swap out that. That's bigger than I thought. I didn't actually switch this to creative. I'm a genius. These worlds are starting to take a long time to load into. Alright, try that again. Oh, right. Okay. I was just being blind. There we go. That's locked into place. Fucking robots. And we're gonna... actually, before we do that, I want to go... tools. Nope. Omni... There we go. Omni. That's a drill, welder, and a deconstructor. And we are going to grab you and you. Okay. And what about the... not available. Not available. Okay. So then how do you work? I'm curious how that... Okay, that's cool. So basically the way these work is that ring that you see around it there basically turns and moves. It's like a turreted design. That's pretty cool. Alright, so unfortunately there's no small version of that. And no large version of the flush cockpit, which is a shame. That's such a shame. See, because the plan was, obviously we're going to build one the last episode, but I was far too sick. Welding and grinding ship, that is. And the problem is, welder. I mean, then again, we do have the mega welder. How big's a mega welder? Very fucking big, okay. And no small ship version. So... the problem with this is the small version. So basically, in order to get components out, right, it needs the large thing, because certain components, like large pipes, for instance, will only fit through certain things. But we drop that real quick. Let's just put you up 6 blocks. The problem is that cargo in terms of... basically, in order to pipe it up, it would be a bitch. That's what I'm trying to get to. Because, well, maybe not. Okay, that might actually be useful. We might actually be able to do this the way I want to do it. Ooh. I like that. Okay. So we might be scrapping off the what do you call it? The big version. Oh, come on. Up you go. Oh, I went one too far on that one. There we go. Right. So, now, if we go 6, how does that flush cockpit look? That's not bad. Kind of like it. Versus, on the other hand, now this one is available in the large ship version, but versus the, see, you've got a lot more space to see there, but at the same time I kind of want to work with the flush cockpit because I've not used it yet. So regardless of if it's practical, we're going to do that. We're going to do that. But here's the thing. Now, what we're going to need to do is we are going to need to have some of these drills, right? But problem is, obviously we can't hook them up to that connector there. So what we'll need to do is, for one, put a guiding block there and there, and same there, so that we can then where is it there, so we can then do that and that, right? And now that that's attached, we should need to raise that up one more. Okay. Number 9, 3. Like that. Okay. Now the problem is going to be connecting it. Fuck. I didn't think that one through. That's fine if we do that. Oh, come on. Just pull that up like that. Yep, that's fine. Shoot to do 5. Don't need the sword, There we go. Nope. That fucked up. Oh Christ. Okay, right. We'll sort that in a sec. So, because here's the thing though, is that doesn't really, like, how does that look? Yeah, see, that's going to be defeating the purpose of having this cockpit, because we're not going to be able to see much. But then again, fuck, as I was saying, but then again, anywhere we place that, we're going to have the same sort of issue. But it's going to be the same with that one. So, okay, that worked. We actually got it staying this time. So, oh shit, come on. Let's do that. And then 2, 5. Okay, then we are going to need an oxygen generator, which we will have somewhere around here. Right. Oxygen generator. Okay, let's see how much storage that is. That is 200 kiloliters. Seriously? Is that it? 50,000 liters. Cargo. 50, 100, 200,000 liters. Let's have a quick look see over here. Cargo. 78,000. Honestly, that should be enough. Let's go sleep through the night so we can get the sun back. But I think 200,000 should be more than enough. There we go. Alright. Let's get back over here. So, I'm thinking that's how we'll end up with the storage. Because they've got big connections on the top and bottom. I think we will then put a cargo connector there. And it would help if I put it in the correct fucking place. There we go. But I'm thinking we'll have a connector there. How's that? Oh yeah, that's terrible for sight, dude. We ain't seeing shit. Yeah, that's a bit, that's not great for the site, let's be real. Maybe we'll move them back a couple blocks. Yeah, I think we might do that. What about, like, 2 blocks? How does that look? Oh, it helps I put it in the right place. Oh. Well, I guess we're going 3. That looks a lot better. Still not perfect, but it's a lot better. What about that, honestly? Oh, yeah, that's perfect right there. Okay. 9, 3. Come on. In you go. Oh, yeah, that is so much better. Look at that. Yeah, that is a ton better. A lot more visibility. I love it. If we wanted to, we could move those out maybe 1 block. How would that look, actually? Let's have a play with that. That's a lot better, actually. And then what that allows me to do is have some space for detailing and such. So, for instance, like that. Just as an example. Obviously, we'd need to fill in the blocks underneath. Yeah, blocks underneath, otherwise it'd be a bit screwy, but that might actually work a bit better. Probably pull that back one as well. Something like that. Either way, might want to pull that one forward, maybe. Nah, it'll be fine. Fuck it. Leave it. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Damn it. I didn't mean to get rid of that. Not bad. Not bad. Do that along there like that. 5. Do that one there like that. We need to move you out, because I didn't actually do that one. So that. Then that. Then that. Number 3. Then that. Beautiful. Alright, control 1, number 5. Like that. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Again, not perfect, but it'll do for now. Right. Sorry, getting distracted. So, that is all of that stuff. We've got the O2 gen. We've got the conveyors and the storage. We've got the welders themselves. What else do we need? An antenna wouldn't hurt. Actually, then again, though, we can figure out where we're putting the antenna later. That's not as important. Gyros, on the other hand, are very important. Can always add more later, but that should do for now. Probably want a script or two, so that'll definitely cover more than we actually need. Ooh, in terms of lights, actually, if we number 6, no, yeah, that one. That one there, like that. And then I'm just gonna come in here while we're at it and go you. MW for Mallen Welder, because I'm not very creative with names. So that will do for the name. But what next? 7. Let's see what else you got. Nothing there for you. Nothing there for you. You, on the other hand, we don't need H2. We just need O2. Let's see. Do we actually have? Yeah, let's just replace one of you. Oxygen tank. That'll do. And that'll hold oxygen for her. Right. Next up will just be engines and or thrusters and stuff. We should also include a reactor somewhere, actually. a reactor would be very smart. Small one will do, really. We could replace you. Put you there like that. Beautiful. What are you? Ah. Oh, shit. Right. That's a reactor in place. Batteries. Batteries. We don't have the stuff for you, so we'll grab just warfare batteries. Yep. And you... Let's, where would be a good place for you? No, we don't need 6. That should be more than enough. Right. 4 on each side should be enough, probably. If not, we can always add more. Right. Now I think it's just sort of armor and thrusters, really. If we just fill in these blocks real quick. Make sure I don't get any dodgy paint lines. 7. There we go. That looks better. There we go. And then 8, 7. Yeah, we're gonna need blocks to hold that in place. Right. Tell you what, let's do that. Oh, come on. And that. So that we can then go da. Yeah, like that. That'll work. That can get rid of that. Do that there like that. That there like that. Oh bollocks. Oh bollocks. There we go. Fix that. Fix that. There we go. Problem solved. Beautiful. Right. Let's get back to what we're doing. Number 7. Oh, come on. Honestly, actually, I might just, fall. Do that real quick. Do that. Let's just load that bitch up. Because we're going to be facing down a lot of the time anyway. So it makes sense to sort of make sure that we're solid on the downward thrust. She's got a bit of a big forehead, like. I'm not really happy with that. Let's I think let's redesign this front bit. I don't like you either. Right. I'm thinking we'll get rid of this. That's still 100,000 storage. And I think I like that a lot better, honestly. And then what we can do... do that there like that. That there like that. Still not perfect, but it looks a lot better, I think. We'll still work on the front a little bit more and stuff, but what this will also maybe allow it to do... do I have batteries anywhere? Is if we actually, before we do that, let's go with do that. And that. And that'll give her a bit of a height. Oops, shit. And then, yeah, see? And that will fit nicely in there. There we go. That's a lot better. That'll fit a lot nicer. Well, sort of. Might need to move it back one more. Actually, we've got fucking space on where the fucking... Actually, instead of doing that... Oh, come on. Thank you. Thank you. Why didn't I just think of this the fucking last time, you know? There we go. Problem solved. I mean, we'll lose a bit of space in terms of depth for the, for here, in terms of thrusters, but it'll work fine. So. Oh, he's your little baby thruster. That's so cute. That's the big boy. There's a big boy right now. Which I think we will need, okay, yeah, you're not quite going there, I don't think, bud. Unless we, do that. I think that might be too much, honestly. It probably is. But, fuck it. Because why not? Then... Damn it. And then on this side we'll do the same. Oops, shit. There we go. And then we just need the rear thrust. Which honestly, if we just this should be plenty, because we don't need to move ridiculously fast. This is a ship that'll get like towed around by other ships and things like that, so this isn't one where we need to worry about speed. Let's see about... we need to start blending this in somehow. So we are gonna need... I don't think we actually can blend this in, actually, now that I think about it. Or maybe. That there like that. No, 6. Yeah, this might be a bit of a problem. Oh, there we go. Okay. Inverted corner. Then what about that one, though? There we go. Okay. Now I just need to somehow repeat that on the other side. Okay, that is duplicated. Right. So, now we need to loop this down and basically do the same thing down here. So, ones are slopes. And that is on that level there. Beautiful. Okay, that is that all caught up. Now, let's extend that over there. Extend that to there. Alright. Could definitely tidy it up a little bit more, but honestly, I'm not all that worried. It looks good enough that I'm not too bothered about it, you know what I mean? So, we're not going to worry about it. Right. So, now we just need to box in the rest. Just pull it back about that much. Okay. And then we are going to... Damn it. Didn't mean to do that. We're going to cut out little holes for the engines. There we go. And then we'll go do the same on this side. Alright, there we go. That's that side done as well. Now let's get the... let's come over here. Grab all of that along there like that. Oops, shit. And then we are going to do the same about here. And do that. Okay. Now, we're going to do that like that. And now the fun part. Filling in the back. Okay. What do you reckon, folks? She's a bit of an ugly duckling, but she'll probably fly. Probably. There's well, Well, she flies. Or at least doesn't fall. I'm happy with that. So, let's have a little look-see. Oh. Right. First off, gyros. Show blocking terminal off. Connector. Bottom con. Automated programmable block. We don't need to show you. Don't need to show you. Thrusters. Show block and terminal off. Okay, warfare batteries. Rename them. And then that can all just stay as is, really. Alright. How does she fly? She's a bit slow, but I'm fine with that. Slows down nicely, though. Not perfect. Could probably do with some more, but also not terrible either. Okay. Now, let's take a blueprint. And then we are going to cram it with some stuff and see what happens. So, if we come over here and we go Shift F10, there we go. Let's go steel plate. Let's go 2 loads of 16k in terms of resources. That's not bad. So let's see how it handles it. It's not falling or anything, so looking straight down. Can't go quite straight down. But it can do pretty much any other angle. So as long as we're not going directly straight down with a like maxed out load, it'll still work really well. And yeah, I'd say I'm happy with this, honestly. This is pretty damn cool. It ain't perfect by any means, but it's our own ship that we built ourselves. And this is probably going to go bad. Ooh. Oh, that came close. That came very close. Okay, let's get into the actual world and get this saved. Or get this built, I should say. And then what we can do as well is we can build 2 of them and just swap the other one for grinders. Okie dokie. Let's see. Let's get that door open. Okie dokie. Because we do have the Gemini here, but it's not quite what I was hoping for. That and I kind of got lazy. Because I was like, fuck this. I'm done. Can't be arsed. And this is why we turn off the robots before we start building this stuff. Okay. that is that sorted there. So now we can come back here and we can go BUI. Turn both of them on. And watch it get built. Beautiful. Again, she ain't the prettiest thing, but honestly, I can't complain too much. Probably could have done with a bit more thrust. Especially downward, like forward facing. But honestly, not too bad. Okay, folks. I think that's done. Let's find out. 1014 out of 1015. Oh, I know what block that is. Okay. There we go. Okay, before we do that, let's go groups. Toggle block on or off. Recharge on or off. Toggle block on or off. Toggle block on or off. And then I want to go connector. Switch lock. Auto HGen. Toggle on or off. I never replaced that O2 tank. Huh. Yeah, I don't think I ever I don't think I ever replaced that tank. I did not. Okay, well.
No fuel.
There we go. But that is that ship all built. Now, if we do the same thing, but instead of there we go. But instead of leaving it as a welder, what we'll do is we'll make it a grinder. And we'll just swap the tools. Okay, folks, that is that one done as well. At least as far as I know. Yep. So let's turn you off. And then let's fix you real quick. Okay. And then let's just... nope, I need... grinder. Can just replace you. Drop the components. And then let's very quickly MG. Oh. MG. MG. Oh, bollocks. Melon grinder. If you have a better name for either of these two ships, by the way, feel free to let me know in the comments. Toggle block. Recharge on off. Thrusters on off. I forgot to group the block groups. MG dash grinders. There we go. Save it. Show the block. We want the switch lock. We want the O2H2 gen. And we want the reactor. There we go. Right. There we go. Hit number 5, 2, and then turn all of that off. Beautiful. Love it. There we go. We now have a welder and a grinder. Lovely. I love it. Okay. But that being said, I think this is where I'm going to wrap this video up. There's nothing really much else I want to do in this particular video, other than grab a few screenshots for the thumbnail, because those are important. Let's get that glare out of there. Let's get a shot from the back like that. But that being said, that is where I'm going to end it. I hope you enjoyed this little building episode. I'm not sure how long it would have ended up being, just because I might actually move that one down there. Yeah, let's do it. There we go. 5. There we go. Beautiful. Right. There we go. That way it's not hanging over the walkway. But yeah, that's where I'm going to end this one. If you liked it, leave a like. If you dislike it, that's the wrong button. That's not what I meant to do. Oh well. Either way. If you liked it, leave a like. If you dislike it, dislike it. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. If you're excited to get back to Space Engineers, let me know in the comments. And if you've got any ideas of things that we should build, you could also let me know down in the comments. And I think my doors are broken. Oh well.